Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is Yonar sir. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming to the channel who are coming for the first time. Okay, do subscribe the channel after seeing the video. Share it across to the friends to make mathematics easy for them. We are doing Cambridge IGCSE Year 11 question, exercise 8. Okay, lesson number 5, algebraic expression. Make y as a subject. Question number 1, 5y, 5 minus y is equal to 2y plus 3. Okay, what can I do? Multiply this straight. This becomes 5y minus 5 is equal to 2y plus 6. And what do? I take this over here and take this over here. So this becomes 5y. This is plus, so this becomes minus 2y is equal to 6. And this is minus 5, so this becomes plus 5. So what do I get? 3y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 upon 3. That's my answer for the first question. Okay. Let's look the second question. Seems to be same. Question number 3 seems to be same. 4 also seems to be same. 5 same. Okay, almost all the questions are the same. Okay, let me look for 7. Question number 7. xy plus 4 is equal to 7 minus ky. Okay, what are you doing is you're grouping. And remember that what are you making a subject? Y is the subject. So xy, this is minus ky, comes this side. What does it become? Plus ky is equal to 7. This plus 4 comes to this side. What does it become? Minus 7 minus 4. Now, can I take y common in this? Y. X plus k is equal to 3. Now, this is multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division. So y is equal to 3 upon x plus k. Okay. Hope you have understood it. Like it, subscribe it, share it across. Thank you very much. We are resuming the video. We have got question number 22. Okay, let's do 22. Y m plus n is equal to a y plus b. My subject has to be y. Remember, what's my subject? This is exercise 8. Subject has to be y. Now here I have got y and here also I have got y. So I need to group it to one side. So what do I get? I multiply ym plus yn is equal to ay plus b. Now this has to come this side. What is this? Plus comes over here. What does it become? Minus. So I will write this ym plus yn minus ay is equal to b. Can I take y common? Yes, sir. What is left? M plus n minus a is equal to b. So y is equal to b upon m plus n minus a. A different question, but the method, if you maintain the same, you will be able to solve it. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's look at the next question. Okay. Here. The next question, I would take 27. Or let me take 25. V minus y upon v plus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. This particular thing is divided. So when this goes this direction, it will become multiply. This 2 is divided. If it goes this side, it will become multiply. Now what will happen? 2 bracket v minus y is equal to 1 v plus y. I get 2v minus 2y is equal to v plus y. Let me get the y to the side. So now I need to make it positive. So I will say 2v. I'm taking this v over here. This is plus, it becomes minus, is equal to. This is y. This is minus. When it comes to this side, what does it become? Plus. Okay. 2v minus v is v is equal to 3y. So I can write this as 3y is equal to v. Y is equal to v upon v. All right. Let's look the next question. I have got, okay, so look at the 28th question. Square root of z plus y upon z minus y is equal to 1 upon 3. I need to make y as the subject. Y is the subject. So here, squaring both the sides. Don't get confused when you got square root. Huh? So this will become z plus y upon z minus y is equal to 1 upon 3 the square. Z plus y upon z minus y is equal to 1 upon 9. Now only I have taught you this. So this will become 9z plus y is equal to 1z minus y. This will become 9z plus 9y is equal to z minus y. Okay, this is minus, comes this side, becomes plus. This is plus, goes this side, becomes minus. So what do I get? 9z plus y is equal to z minus 9z 9y. This will become 10y is equal to minus 8z. Y is equal to minus 8 upon 10z. There is a common factor. So what do I do? 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. My answer is minus 4 upon 5z. Okay. Hope you are able to understand how to do it across. Huh? And solve it. Send your answers on my WhatsApp number. I will check and I will come back to you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.